Good morning, children. The last class we learned about the chemical reactions. From that we learn about the what is chemical reaction and what are the characteristics of chemical reactions. And today we can discuss about chemical equations. Then what do you mean by chemical equations? Chemical equations are the representation of the reactant and product involved in chemical reaction using word or their respective symbols and formula. A word equation is written using the name of the reactant and product and the chemical equation is written by using the symbol and formula of the reactant and product in the one example A plus B equals C plus D, that is one chemical equation. The substance that react together in a chemical reaction such as that is called a reactant, that means A and B, that is the reactant, and the substance formed as a result of chemical reaction that is called a product. In the above equation C plus D is the product. Then here the A and B are the reactant, C and D are the product. While writing chemical equations, reactant are always written on the left hand side and the product are written on the right hand side. The arrow between the reactant and product representing the direction in which chemical reaction takes place. That means A plus B gives C plus D. A and B join and forming the product as C and D are the product. Then examples of some chemical reactions. One example, the chemical reaction between hydrogen and oxygen to produce water. Hydrogen and oxygen are the reactant and the product that is water. We can written as 2H2, that means 2 hydrogen plus 1 oxygen, that gives 2H2O, that means 2 water molecules. Example 2. The word and chemical equation for the decomposition reaction of water into hydrogen and oxygen. The decomposition of water. That in here 2H2O is the reactant and the product are 2H2 plus O2. That is the product. Then water decomposes to hydrogen and oxygen. And moving to the example 3, the word and chemical equation for chemical reactions involved in the formation of carbon dioxide. We know that carbon and oxygen join together to form carbon dioxide. In the equation, C and O2 are the reactant and the carbon dioxide is the product. And example 4, the word and chemical equation for the reaction between magnesium and oxygen. Equations of magnesium and oxygen, both of them are the reactant and the product that is magnesium oxide 2Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO. That is the example. Here Mg is and O2 are the reactant and 2MgO are the product. And moving to the example 5, the word and chemical equation for the double displacement reaction between silver nitrate and sodium chloride can be written as AgNO3 plus NaCl gives AgCl plus NaNO3. These are the fifth reaction. Then the sixth example, the word and the chemical equation for the combination reaction between iron and sulfur Fe plus S, that is equal to FeS. That means iron sulfide, that is the product. Iron and sulfur as the reactant. And moving to the example 7, that is the word and the chemical equation for hydrogen and chlorine, that can be written as hydrogen plus chlorine giving 2HCl hydrochloric acid. H2 and Cl2 are the reactant and 2HCl is the product in this reaction. And moving to the eighth example, that is the word and the chemical equation for the combination reaction between nitrogen and hydrogen forming ammonia, that is N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. That nitrogen and hydrogen are the reactant and ammonia is the product. I think you all understood the topic chemical equations. Let's conclude our lesson chemical equation. It is the representation of reactant and product involved in chemical reaction using word or their representative symbol and formula, that is called the chemical equations. The substance that react together in a chemical reaction, that is called a reactant, and the product, the substance formed as a result of chemical reaction, that is the product. We learn about chemical equation, reactant and product. Thank you all.